Tired of struggling to export Salesforce reports? Learn the exact clicks to get a clean, formatted report in under a minute. I want you to imagine this. You've just built the perfect report in Salesforce. All the data's there, the filters are just right, and you're ready to share it with your team. Then you go to export it, and what comes out? A messy spreadsheet with broken formatting, weird column widths, and data that just looks wrong. I've been there. It's frustrating. But the good news? It doesn't have to be that way. There's a simple button you've probably overlooked that gives you a perfect, presentation-ready file every single time. And I'm going to show you exactly where it is. So here's the plan. We'll start from the Reports tab, select your report, and use the Export menu to get a formatted file. Let's go. All right, first things first. You're going to want to start from the main navigation. So look up at the top of your Salesforce screen and click on the Reports tab. This is your home base for everything report related. Now, if you don't see it right away, check your app launcher. It's that little grid of 9 dots in the top left corner. You can search for reports there, and it'll pop right up. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're on the reports page, you'll see a big list of all the reports you've created or that have been shared with you. This can get a little overwhelming if you've got a lot of them, I know. So here's what you do. Find the specific report you want to export. Either scroll through the list or use the handy search bar at the top. I usually type in a keyword from the report name. It's way faster. Once you see it, click the drop-down arrow on the far right side of that report row. It's a little downward pointing triangle. Just one click on that. Now, this is where the magic happens. From that drop-down menu, you're going to see a few options. Look for the one that says Export. It's usually toward the bottom of the list. Click on that. And now you're in the export menu. This is the part where most people get tripped up. They see the default option and they just go with it. Don't do that. We're going for something better. So look at the export options. You'll see a drop-down or a radio button that lets you choose between a couple of different formats. And here's the really important part. Select Formatted Report. Not details only, not summary only. You want Formatted Report. Now, why does this matter? When you pick details only, you get all the raw data in a spreadsheet, but you lose your report's headers, your groupings, your subtotals. It's just a data dump. Formatted report, on the other hand, keeps everything exactly as you see it on your screen. The columns are aligned, your summaries are in place. It's clean and ready to hand off to a manager or stakeholder. No cleanup needed, I promise you. I've tested this 100 times, and it's the first thing I check when someone tells me their exports look terrible. All right, once you've selected Formatted Report, look down at the bottom of that window. You'll see a big blue Export button. Go ahead and click it. Your browser will either start a download automatically or ask you where you want to save the file. This might take a moment to process, depending on how much data you're pulling, so just give it a second. You'll see a little progress indicator. Once it's done, you'll have a beautiful, fully formatted file sitting on your computer, ready to go. And that's it. Seriously. From the Reports tab, click your report, hit Export, choose Formatted Report, and click Export again. You've just gone from frustrated with messy data to confidently sharing a clean, professional report in seconds. The next time you need to get data out of Salesforce, you'll know exactly which button to click. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy reporting.